In Jharkhand, the job guarantee scheme is stuck in political corruption and even criminality. Jharkhand brings to mind the murder of whistleblower Lalit Mehta, succumbing to powerful job card dalals. Prabhakar Kumar travels to Maoist hit Latehar to bring you this report.
For Lakhi Ram Manji and his wife, life offers no bonuses. Adivasi landless labourers of Navagarh village in Jharkhand, this couple had high hopes from the central government's acclaimed NREGA scheme. Their names are in the list of those below the poverty line, yet for the last 3 years, they have not been able to get an NREGA job card. In this village alone, there are over 800 job card holders who do not have jobs.
हम लोग को वोट करके हम लोग दिए थे, दे करके कुछ लोग का बन के आ गया और हम लोग का कुछ आदमी हम लोग को नहीं आया.
While some have no job cards, others have cards but no jobs. The NREGA job card does not guarantee 100 days of work in Jharkhand. Fulo Manji has had this red card for 3 years. It has yet to fetch him a single day of work.
2006 में मिला है हम लोग को, तो अभी तक लगभग 3 साल हो ही रहा है, अभी तक हम लोग को कोई काम नहीं मिला है.
Local middlemen or NREGA brokers often corner the supply of cards. These NREGA brokers are part of the village but charge money to arrange jobs. Meet Jitendra Ram, NREGA broker and Mukhya of his panchayat. Without his signature, none of his fellow villagers can get a job. He charges for his signature the cash taken well in advance. Villagers complain that middlemen siphon off their 99 rupee daily NREGA wage. On camera, Jitendra said he was not to blame. There were too many job seekers.
रोजगार गारंटी के अंतर्गत वैसे काम तो उतना नहीं हो पाता है जितना लोगों को रोजगार चाहिए, लेकिन उसी में हम लोग एडजस्ट करते हैं किसी तरह से.
Those fighting for job security have only run into trouble.
काम आप लोगों को उपलब्ध कराया गया.
Bhukhan Singh, NREGA activist from Latehar, has had criminal cases slapped against him by the state administration. He has been jailed thrice in the last 2 years.
सरकार भी ये गरीब लोगों को शोषक है और इसको हम लोगों को सबको मिल करके इसको विरोध करने की जरूरत है.
Jharkhand carries the stigma of being one of the worst performers on NREGA index, and these people stand testimony to this fact. Despite having the job card, these people have been running from pillar to post for last 2 years.
हमारे गांव में रोड का काम हो चुका है, जिसमें बाहर से आदमी आके काम किया है.
डिप्टी मिलता है तो काम करता है, नहीं मिलता है तो आजकल कहाँ डिप्टी मिलता है, बाहर में काम मिलवे नहीं करता है.
For states like Bihar and Jharkhand, underdeveloped but with millions of unemployed laborers, NREGA was to be a big boon. But sadly, it has failed in regions which need it most.
But in Rajasthan, the birthplace of the right to information, the NREGS is making a huge difference. Earlier, extreme poverty forced villagers to migrate in search of work to Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Swati Vashish travelled to Ratsamand and found out that NREGS has curbed distress migration by a staggering 50%.
Girdhari was once a migrant labourer. 2 years ago, when his wife fell seriously ill, he was away in Gujarat. By the time he was able to take her to hospital, after a 10-hour journey, she had died. His little children had lost their mother. Now work is available right here in Vijaypura, and it's only a 10-minute walk away from home. Girdhari is working under NREGA to build a road. With his wages, he looks after his children and even sends them to school.
I look after them morning and evening. I worry about whether they are safe if I'd be away. I need to be with them. And now, with NREGA in our village, I get my daily 100 rupees here only.
A transparent system ensures that Girdhari and his co-workers are paid what they are owed. The Vijaypura Sarpanch, Kalu Ram, a Dalit who won his seat promising transparency, makes sure the Panchayat records are accessible to all.
मैंने तो 100 दिन काम नहीं किया है, 80 दिन ही काम किया. आपने 100 दिन कैसे लिखा और मैंने पैसे इतने ले हूँ और उसमें पैसे आप इतने ज़्यादा कैसे बता रखे? वो सवाल करेगा, तुरंत पंचायत को कहेगा आपने दीवार पे आपने गलत सूचना क्यों दी?
The villagers call it the Janta Information System. All records, name of the person, number of days worked and the amount paid are painted on the walls of the village for everyone to see.
करप्शन रोकने के लिए एक तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी, जितना ज़्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो उतना ही ज़्यादा उस करप्शन रोकने का मौका है और लोगों तक जानकारी ज़्यादा पहुँचे.
With a long history of drought, small land holdings and migration for work, it's the people here who've taken it upon themselves to build a truly transparent system to keep under check what is still the biggest enemy of the NREGA, corruption.
The NREGA assumes that those better off in the villages would not need the scheme. But in the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh, landlords and even former school teachers have job cards. Also, they have been paid on record. Except that the landlords know nothing about it. Maushami Singh tells you the story of one of the most common forms of corruption in the NREGS.
Muralidhar Raghuvanshi owns 150 bighas of land. He employs hundreds of workers in his fields, but on paper, he is a labourer not very different from those he employs. He even has a job card. Muster roll says that Raghuvanshi worked for 6 days to build this road, as have his mother Sita Bai and father, who was once a school teacher. When asked, Sita Bai is outraged. The money is taken in their name, but they haven't got it. In fact, all the 3,000 residents of the Dedla village have job cards. And like Raghuvanshi, there are many coast workers. The village Sarpanch takes the initiative to get job cards for people and then exploits it to his advantage, taking the money that comes to their accounts.
उन्होंने पहले ही हाजिरी भर ली है और बाद में हमको दे दिया और जिसके बाद हमारा खाता में डाला पैसे हमने बैंक से निकाल कर उनको दे दिया.
The Sarpanch is aided in this activity by the engineer who oversees the work. Not surprisingly then, this is the condition of the road that was built under NREGS. 6 crore rupees have already been spent on this road, and yet there is no visible difference. Even the administration acknowledges that this is a fraud.
दिलावरा से बागड़िया स्वीकृत हुआ 1 किलोमीटर ग्राम पंचायत ने बनाया उसके ऊपर एक बागड़िया से दिलावरा रोड 3,80,000 रुपए खर्चा कर दिया उसके ऊपर 2 साल के अंदर तीसरी एजेंसी वहाँ काम करेगी तो वो रोड कितने करोड़ का हो गया.
Money going into the village in the name of the poor is ending up in the hands of corrupt functionaries. It shows that wages being transferred directly into bank accounts are also no guarantee against corruption.
Coming up next, how political will backed by Infotech is making the NREGS a huge success in Andhra Pradesh.
अभी इससे पहले खाना नहीं था अब तो इत्मीनान से रोजाना 3 टाइम खा रहे हैं काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
Political